Welcome to this course, where you'll learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript essentials. First, let's meet Michelle Saltoon.
I'm Michelle Saltoon, and I'll be one of your instructors throughout this course to teach you the fundamental skills you need to develop web applications. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, the overall employment of web developers is projected to grow 30% from 2021 to 2031, which is significantly faster than the average for all occupations. Web developers are in high demand across a variety of industries, from e-commerce stores to education platforms. With more and more people working remotely in our increasingly contactless world, this will continue to be a huge growth area.
In the first module, you'll delve into hypertext markup language, HTML, an essential for every website. First, you'll explore the history and purpose of HTML. You'll learn to use HTML features to build flexible and interactive websites. Then, advance your knowledge by learning about the HTML Document Object Model, or DOM tree, how HTML uses APIs, and how you can use browser scripting for extended functionality. Then, explore cascading style sheets, referred to as CSS, and learn how you can use CSS to format HTML elements. You'll also learn to differentiate among some of the many CSS frameworks. You'll then learn about the basic structural elements of HTML5 and the attributes of HTML5 input elements. Next, gain essential JavaScript programming knowledge. You'll begin by learning basic JavaScript syntax and identifying common DOM objects. You'll also learn about controlling the flow of a JavaScript application using control statements. Then, explore variables, custom objects, functions, and prototypes. Tie your HTML and JavaScript knowledge together when you learn about using client-side JavaScript with HTML. You will discover how JavaScript integrates with the DOM, explore common APIs used in JavaScript applications, and learn how to modify the inline object styles and attributes. Gain the advantage of experience when seasoned professionals share their recommendations for working with HTML and HTML5, and their best practice recommendations for using JavaScript. Let's meet your course experts.
My name is Bradley Steinfeld, and I'm a senior full-stack developer.
Hello, everybody. My name is Carl Litter, and I'm a senior product manager.
My name is James Reeve, and I'm a full-stack software engineer at IBM.
I'm Dennis Harvey. I'm a content strategy manager at Coursera, focused on cloud technology.
Hi, my name is Rupinder, and I work as a Chief Solutions Architect at Skillup Technologies.
My name is Daniel Rudnitsky, and I'm a full-stack software engineer at IBM.
Hi, I'm Jan Stoneman. I'm a solution architect at Smartronix.
In addition to module-level activities and labs, you will practice your new skills and build your portfolio with labs where you will edit HTML to correct errors, add missing tags, and modify CSS to improve a web application's look and feel. Then, grow your skills with a lab where you'll write JavaScript code to implement a simple interest calculator, and a lab where you will test a web application. To complete this course, you will complete a final peer-reviewed project related to building a single-page portfolio website and evaluate your peer submissions. While you're finishing up the course, consider publishing your portfolio at GitHub Pages, which you'll find at pages.github.com. Next, learn if this course is right for you.
This course is designed for everyone. It doesn't matter if you have a background as a developer. Whether you're an IT person looking to develop new skills, a fresh graduate looking to make a career in cloud or web development, or someone who's never touched programming in their lives, this course will equip you with everything you need to get started. So, absorb the videos, reinforce your learning with the quizzes, and use the discussion forums to talk with your peers and your classmates. Finally, make sure you complete the hands-on portion of this class throughout the course and start building a portfolio to demonstrate to future employers. Congratulations on embarking on this exciting journey, and good luck.